Bonjour et bienvenue, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Learn French at Zenith. Moi, c'est Anamika. My name is Anamika and I am your French language trainer. So I've been really busy creating my self-paced courses where I've been creating all these well-explained videos of various topics, creating some pronunciation videos as well for A1 and A2 level. And if you are interested in buying that self-paced course, then all you have to do is go to our website and purchase it from there. You'll find the links in the description. And if you are seeing me for the first time, then let me reintroduce myself. I'm Anamika and I've been teaching French since 15 years now, and I've been creating French related content on various social media platforms. You can follow me on Instagram. You're already watching me on YouTube, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you do not miss any notification. You can also join our communities on Papote, where we do quizzes on every Sunday. You will find all the links in my description. Alright, so this video we are doing le futur proche. I know the topic is very simple and all we have to do is just conjugate few verbs and voila, you have the conjugation. But the real problem happens when you have to speak in flow. So here I'm going to help you with the conjugation, make you practice the conjugation here in the video itself, and along with that you will also get a worksheet which you can download clicking on the link mentioned in the description. Just to let you know, this is one of the lessons that I have created for my self-paced course. Again, if you are interested, then check out my description, the link is already there. Alright, so let's start. On y va. Bonjour et bienvenue, hello and welcome to your French lesson. Today, this video we are doing le futur proche. A new tense talking about the future actions, le futur proche. As the name says, proche, something which is very near, something which is going to happen very soon. For example, after this video, I'm going to take my lunch. I'm going to take my lunch. For sure, I can't skip that action. It is definitely happening. So any action that you think is very close or is certain is surely going to happen. For sure, it's happening. To express those actions in French in the future, we use futur proche. I repeat, the near future, which are certain, which will surely happen, definitely going to happen. To express those actions, we use le futur proche. We also use le futur proche to talk about the actions when we are speaking in French, because the conjugation, you're going to observe that the conjugation of futur proche is very simple, it's very easy, it's very flowy. So we usually use this tense while we speak about the actions in the future tense in the speaking part. So let's start. Let's see the conjugation and do some exercises together. On y va. Now let's start with the formation of the verb, the conjugation of the verb in futur proche. How to construct a verb in futur proche? Very simple. All you need is the subject in the sentence. For example, it can be je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle, or it can be any proper noun. For example, Julie, Paul, Anamika, or it can also be a common noun. For example, les étudiants, les professeurs, le médecin, la fille, le garçon, etc., etc. So there has to be a subject in the sentence, of course, that's very important, followed by the verb aller in the present tense. We have done this verb in A1, the verb aller in the present tense, followed by the infinitive form of the main verb. The main verb, for example, if I want to say I am going to eat, so to eat is my main verb, so we have to write it as it is, the name of the verb, the infinitive form of the verb, the unchanged form of the verb. So this is how you construct a sentence in futur proche. Now before we move ahead, let's quickly revise the verb aller in present tense, because this is what we'll be using a lot. So let's just quickly revise the conjugation and the pronunciation as well. The verb is aller, which means to go. Je vais, I go. Je vais, je vais. Tu vas, you go. Il va, il va, elle va, elle va, on va, on va, nous allons, nous allons. Faites attention, there is a liaison, nous allons, vous allez, vous allez, ils vont, ils vont, ils vont, elles vont, elles vont. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Now this is what you will be using to create the conjugation of the verbs in future proche. Now let's see how we actually conjugate the verbs. I have taken here the verb parler, which means to speak or to talk. If I want to say I am going to speak, I would just simply say je vais parler. Subject je, followed by the verb aller in the present tense. Je vais, I'm going to, and parler in infinitive form. Je vais parler. You are going to speak. Tu vas parler. He is going to speak. Il va parler. She is going to speak. Elle va parler. We are going to speak. On va parler. We are going to speak. Nous allons parler. You are going to speak. Vous allez parler. Ils vont parler. Elles vont parler. They are going to speak. This is how you construct, this is how you frame the verbs. This is how you conjugate the verbs in future proche. So simple, so easy. Very good. Now, let's also see how we can change these conjugations in negative form. This is the affirmative form. I'm going to speak is the positive way of saying it's a positive expression. It's a positive sentence. How will I say I am not going to speak? Very simple. All you have to do is just identify the conjugated verb, which is aller. Put ne before and pas after. Simple. Just like the way, for example, je vais parler. I am not going to speak. Je ne vais pas parler. Je ne vais pas parler. Je ne vais pas parler. You are not going to speak. Tu ne vas pas parler. Tu ne vas pas parler. Tu ne vas pas parler. He is not going to speak. Il ne va pas parler. Il ne va pas parler. She's not going to speak. Elle ne va pas parler. Elle ne va pas parler. We are not going to speak. On ne va pas parler. On ne va pas parler. We are not going to speak. Nous n'allons pas parler. Nous n'allons pas parler. Vous n'allez pas parler. Vous n'allez pas parler. Vous n'allez pas parler. Ils vont parler. Ils ne vont pas parler. Ils ne vont pas parler. Et elles ne vont pas parler. Elles ne vont pas parler. Trop simple, hein? I missed it here. It's PAS. Je ne vais pas parler. I'm not going to speak. Very good. Now let's understand a little more important things here. When you are speaking, you can very well skip no. You can just simply say, je vais pas parler. Je vais pas parler. Tu vas pas parler. Tu vas pas parler. Il va pas parler. Il va pas parler. Elle va pas parler. Elle va pas parler. On va pas parler. Nous allons pas parler. Nous allons pas parler. Vous allez pas parler. Ils vont pas parler. Elles vont pas parler. So you have the choice of not to use no when you are speaking in French, but when you're writing, you must use no. This is important. Now, since this part is over, let's see if you can put these expressions in futur proche. All right, let's start. The first one is, I am going to eat. Je vais manger. I'm going to invite. Je vais inviter. I'm going to visit. Je vais visiter. I'm going to watch. Je vais regarder. I'm going to finish. Je vais finir. I'm going to do. Je vais faire. Very good. I'm going to choose. Je vais choisir. Excellent. I'm going to write. Je vais écrire. Très bien, okay. Now, these are the conjugation of the verbs, the random verbs in futur proche. Now, tell me, can you put these verbs in the negative form? Let's try. I am not going to eat. Je ne vais pas manger. I'm not going to invite. Je ne vais pas inviter. I'm not going to visit. Je ne vais pas visiter. I'm not going to watch. Je ne vais pas regarder. Je ne vais pas regarder. I'm not going to finish. Je ne vais pas finir. I'm not going to do. Je ne vais pas faire. Je ne vais pas faire. I'm not going to choose. Je ne vais pas choisir. I'm not going to write. Je ne vais pas écrire. Super. Excellent. Very good. Remember, I am merging the words. I'm saying je ne vais pas. Je ne vais pas. I'm not saying je ne vais pas. I'm saying je ne vais pas. Je vais. Je ne vais. Je ne vais. Je ne vais pas. Faites attention, we are in A2 now, we're almost in A2, we are doing A2 level. We need to start merging the words, we need to start working on the fluency of the language as well. Now let's learn the conjugation of the pronominal verbs in futur proche. I've taken here the verb, the verb is se lever, which is to get up oneself, se lever. One thing that you must remember that your subject and the verb aller will be together. For example, je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, and so on. You also need to remember that your se, which is the pronoun in the verb, needs to agree with the subject. That means if the subject is je, you will change se to me. With tu, it becomes the. With il, it becomes se. Elle, it becomes so. The way we usually do. Just remember that the verb is going to be in the infinitive form. That means the verb will not change, only the pronoun will agree with the subject. Let's see the conjugation carefully. Je vais me lever. Je vais me lever. Tu vas te lever. Tu vas te lever. Il va se lever. Il va se lever. Elle va se lever. Elle va se lever. Nous allons nous lever. Nous allons nous lever. Vous allez vous lever. Vous allez vous lever. Ils vont se lever. Ils vont se lever. Elles vont se lever. Elles vont se lever. Very simple. This is Important. I hope this is clear. Let's see how you change them to negative sentences. Again, the ne has to come before the verb aller and pas has to come after the verb aller. I'm going to write it right next to these conjugations. Je vais me lever, positive, negative. Je ne vais pas me lever. Je ne vais pas me lever. Tu vas te lever. Tu ne vas pas te lever. Tu ne vas pas te lever. Tu ne vas pas te lever. Il ne va pas se lever. Il ne va pas se lever. Elle ne va pas se lever. Elle ne va pas se lever. Nous n'allons pas nous lever. Nous n'allons pas nous lever. Vous n'allez pas vous lever. Vous n'allez pas vous lever. Ils ne vont pas se lever. Ils ne vont pas se lever et elles ne vont pas se lever. Elles ne vont pas se lever. Très simple. Very simple, very easy. I hope this is clear. If yes, then let's see some more examples. Now, since you have understood how to conjugate the pronominal verbs in futur proche, tell me how would you say this in French, in futur proche, of course. I'm going to get up. Je vais me lever. Je vais me lever. I'm going to wake up. Je vais me réveiller. Je vais me réveiller. I'm going to brush. Je vais me brosser. Je vais me brosser. I'm going to dress up. Je vais m'habiller. Je vais m'habiller. I'm going to go to bed. Je vais me coucher. Je vais me coucher. I hope this is clear. Do not forget to do the worksheets that come along with this lesson. There will be some reading pronunciation practices. For that, watch the next videos.